I would never think I'd be saying this, but make my birthday cake with me.
You will need 4 large eggs
and whisk them until bubbles form.
5 tablespoons sugar,
Mix the sugar into the egg mixture.
200 grams of flour,
and now slowly mix it into your mixture. This is my face when I just realized that my best friend forgot about my birthday. Your girl had to take a second to read the measurements.
1/4 teaspoon vanilla powder, and 50 grams of melted butter. This is the consistency you should get. Add 150 grams of milk to your batter, and it should get a water-like consistency.
Check if your consistency is the same as mine, because if it's not, you've probably done something wrong on the recipe.
And now divide the batter into 2 different bowls. I'm gonna add in some food coloring in one to make it pink. I think that was too much. Yep, it sort of turned into a red color instead of a pink, but still.
You can watch me make the pink crepes, but I recommend using a non-stick pan. But if you don't have a non-stick pan, you could use 1/4 a teaspoon of butter. A little tip for making the crepes, I recommend you cool down the pan before each time you make the crepes, and that way they would be even. Over here, I'm gonna add in 3/4 a packet of already whipped cream, and I'm just basically gonna add in things like vanilla powder and chocolate powder to make the cream taste better with the cake. I'm gonna use a bowl to cut out each individual crepe, and then you can see me basically decorating the crepe and stacking it up into a cake. So enjoy some music while I do that. Okay, so making it pretty isn't necessary, but in my world it is. So we're just gonna add some cute little toppings on it in order for it to look like a decent cake. And that's it. And now I think it's safe to say worth the 2 hours.